Colored, not colored, colored, not color. Today this video is going to show you how I apply this product, the end result, and I'll give my honest feedback. Hey y'all, welcome to Rock Natural, your weekly beauty reporter. I was getting bored with my hair. My friend was like, oh, why don't you color your hair? And I'm like, without actually dyeing it, I wanted to try another temporary color, this one here. So you want to make sure you have your gloves. On the bottle they share with a ton of things that you should have in preparation. This is a fresh wash and go. My hair is still kind of damp, so they say your hair should be damp, not wet. I do have a spray bottle to spray some parts. You should wear something you don't care about getting paint on, i.e. I'm gonna wear this. They say you should diffuse or dry afterwards to prevent color transfer. Originally I was going to put the color in and perm rod all of my hair, but then I was like, who do I think I am? Do not have the patience to do both at the same time. But I am going to perm rod the front of my hair, so let's go ahead and section that off. Messy. And then I'm going to go ahead and put the rest in a ponytail. I should get a different ponytail holder, but for now scrunchie will work. That's scrunchie. This scrunchie is actually from Nadora Iman that you can go ahead and shop in the bio. Damp this a little bit. Then I'm going to put on my gloves. Some people do it without gloves. I'm doing it with gloves because my nails, these are my real nails, and they just stain over the littlest thing. And the reason why I'm doing these in smaller sections, like I said, I'm going to perm rod the front piece. So and then they're just going to pick up a little bit here. So this is looking more orangish than gold, but who knows what it might look like afterwards. Oh, yikes. What do we think? Gold or orange? Okay, so I'm splitting this in two, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and perm rod. This is not part of the hair coloring tutorial, but I'm just showing you how I apply this product and how I'm going to do it for my hair. So and this is bothering me on my forehead, so I'm just gonna take a makeup wipe. And now let's move. Oh, got another section here. So when I first apply it, it looks more orange than gold, but then once it dries a little bit, it's turning out to be gold. It says dry or damp, but I feel like I need my hair to be a little damp. On to the next side. This is ballsy for me to be doing this on. I used to do perm rod sets all the time, and then I stopped doing a lot of things to my hair. And then I'm going to, once I'm done with all my hair, diffuse slash blow dry. And I am going to spray a little bit. It's still damp for the most part, but it's me just adding a little bit more. Then I'm going to do the back in larger sections because I don't need to perm rod them. And you just want to rake the product through. I look like I'm doing a science experiment with my gloves. Make sure you use a leave-in conditioner or moisturizing milk or something on your hair before applying the product. It says to use all the As I Am products, but I think you can get away with not doing that. See, it goes on like orange, but then once it settles into the hair, it looks more gold-ish. And the goal is just to really make sure it's in all parts of the hair. I might just split this section in half to make sure it's there. I'm going off camera to do the other side, and I'll be off. Alright, so this is what it's looking like so far, and it's still drying. So I have a diffuser here, I'm going to use. I'm going to silence this part so you do not hear it, but I will keep the video going so you can see what it looks like. So it's still a little damp. This is what I was trying to prevent from happening. I don't know if the color is really picking up on camera. Like on camera, to me it looks like a dirty brown, but in person it looks like a gold. And I have a feeling the top of my hair is not dry yet, and so I might dry that part a little bit more. But here are the results. I mean, my hair is super defined, which I love, and hopefully the camera is picking up the quality and the color. If your costume, you know, Halloween is right around the corner, and if your costume calls for some type of temporary hair color or something of the sort, I definitely suggest using this if you want it to last longer. Or you can do like some type of spray can type ordeal. But this would be fun because then after, depending on the color, after the holiday passes, you can continue to wear your hair just as is. It's not damaging to the hair. They're intended to be moisturizing, and so I would definitely suggest this if you're looking for an alternative. If you want me to review more hair brand colors, be sure to leave a comment down below and let me know. If you like videos like these, give this a thumb up. Be sure to check out these other two videos here, and I'll see you in my next upload. Peace.